Hey guys, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's YouTube video, we're going to be doing a glow-in-the-dark costume. So what you're going to be needing is glow necklaces. You can get these at Walmart for $1 and they bring 4 pieces. But I recommend to get this one because they're really long and they don't cost as much as you usually need. And this one is also from Walmart, but this brings 10 piece and it was $3. But I recommend this one the most. So how we're gonna be doing this is that you're gonna be needing a black outfit. So you're gonna be needing black pants and a black shirt. But if you don't have a black plain shirt, you can just do what I did. So I got a regular shirt and I just flipped it inside out. So that's also another way you could do it if you don't have one. So let's just get straight into the video. So let's just open these up. Oh, also, you're gonna be also needing tape, but you don't have to use this tape exactly, the big tape. You can usually just get a smaller tape, but if you don't want it to fall off, I recommend this one. So let's just open it. Yep, I think these are gonna work. Yeah, they're gonna work. Let's just see. Yeah, they're for sure good. So you're gonna take them out of the package, put them right here. Then let's open the 10-pack one. Whoa, that was hard. Ow! Why is it in a box? Taped. Wait a minute, what? Oh, never mind. Whoa. Oh my god, they're actually the same length. But this one brings 10, so this one would be a lot easier. So you see all these right here. You're gonna need all of these. Also, remember, keep these two. So what you're first gonna do is that you're gonna grab your stick, or your light up stick, and then you're gonna pop it like this. Okay. Ooh, it actually looks like a kind of lighter green, but when you pop it, it actually looks darker. And I think these would last for like about 2 days, mostly 1 day.
A few moments later.
So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your green or whatever color glow stick. Then you're gonna grab your tape. You're gonna need about, not so much, oh my god. Ow, ow, that hurt a lot. Oh, you got it. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your glow stick on your leg. So then what you're gonna do is do that, tape it like this, and then you're gonna grab some more like this. Actually, this type of tape is really hard to grab or to even hold because it hurts a lot to rip it off, but it actually kind of works. So let's put this like this, and we're done with the leg. So it should look like this. Can you see? Perfect. So once you've got that, put this a little bit higher. Okay, so once you've got, actually we're gonna need tape in the middle, because if you don't put tape in the middle, it's actually gonna start to kind of fall off. So let's just, actually you're gonna need a parent to help you with this, because if you're using hard tape like I am, you're gonna need a parent to help you. So I'm just gonna let my mom help me just pull off the tape, because this is actually really kind of hard to do it. So thank you. So then you're gonna put tape on the middle. And if not, you're just gonna pull this a little bit higher. Now we're gonna put tape in the middle. And now it should be like that. So then tape right here. And if it starts to fall off, just add some extra. We're gonna need some extra. It's really hard to stand up really straight. So let's just put this down. And then let's put straight. Perfect. So we're done with the leg. Now you're gonna grab another glow stick like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop it. Ooh, it's like a neon pink. I actually like that color. It's like, my favorite color is actually kind of like a violet, pinky, neon green color. Mostly like this. Neon, pinky, violet color. Yeah, it's a color for sure. So then you're gonna grab one of these. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this on here. And then you're gonna connect it like this. But this is for the head. So you're gonna need like this. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna need tape. Okay, put some tape. And this is where you're gonna need a parent to help you. So I recommend someone helping you throughout this. So you're gonna put it on like this. Put it on like that. And you're gonna need at least one on the bottom right here so it doesn't fall. It might look kind of weird right now for sure, but after it's in the dark, you're gonna look really cool. So far it's actually kind of going good, but we need the tape on the bottom too. Right, no, mostly like right here. Should be good. Like that. So now let's carry on with the legs. So now what you're gonna need is another glow stick. So actually I'm gonna be using another green one. Or we're gonna want to do all colors. So actually let's use this yellow one. It's so satisfying to listen to that sound. Why are you laughing? So now that you got this, you're gonna want to grab some tape. What do you laugh? Can you have me some tape?
I can't stop laughing in your circle with face.
Stop! Grab me some tape.
Okay.
So then we're gonna take all of this to the trampoline. So I have a trampoline, and then we're gonna do. It's really night right now, so no one's actually really outside. I think it's actually around 9 or something. I don't know. And yeah, we're gonna take this on the trampoline and see how it looks. So let's put this out like that. You're gonna need 3 pieces of tape. One for the top, one for the middle, and one for the bottom. Ugh. This is so hard. Okay, now we're done with the legs. Wow. This is so cool. So now we're gonna need another one. We're gonna use a different color. Which colors have we not used? Oh, it's only, actually, there's blue and purple, but I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. I think this is blue. Yep, it's blue. We're gonna use this for the arm. I think it's actually kind of violet. mostly blue, violetish. I don't know what color this is. Okay, now we're gonna need 3 pieces of tape again. So hand the tape, please. Okay, how are you supposed to put this on? Thank you. Ah. So then, how am I supposed to bend? I'm okay. So now you're gonna grab another piece of tape. And now we're gonna put this, move my hair out of the way. Move like that. Uh-oh. Okay. I look like a tape monster. It's very hard to walk. I recommend putting your hair in a bun or in a ponytail because it's probably gonna get stuck in the way. Another tape, please. Okay, so let's put this right here. Then we're gonna put, yes? Sorry guys, I had to put my hair back because everything was getting in the way. Also, I double taped some things. So if it starts falling off, just double tape it and everything turned out to be really good. So now let's carry on. So I'm gonna actually be using this pastel blue. And I actually got my tape and put them on the chair so I could easily take it out. So we're gonna first put this on the arm. Actually, we're gonna put it right here. So this is for the body. So now we're gonna put this right here. Also, if you need any help, get a parent or guardian to help you. Now we're gonna need some more. So grab some of this, put this in the middle, then put this right here. Now we're gonna need, actually I recommend to, if you wanna put some more over here, you could get like this and put it right here or something. Like a pastel color blue and then finish it right here because it's not going all the way up. But let's see how it does look like. Ooh, this is how it looks like so far. See? Well, let's carry on. So now let's finish with the arm. So now what you're gonna need, we're gonna use this green. It's already halfway done, so let's just finish putting it up. Does it not work? I think it does. Yeah, I don't think this lights up. Yeah, let's do this pink one. Why aren't they working? Here, this one works, this one works. I don't know what happened to the other ones. Yeah, I actually kind of recommend getting some extras because in case like one of them breaks like this two did, you want to have some extra. But in total, you need 6 pieces to complete this whole glow-in-the-dark costume. Unless you needed some extra, which I really did. So now let's put this right here. So we're gonna need some tape. I hope no one hears me when I'm on the trampoline because it's gonna be really loud. Ah, okay. So let's put this right here. Like this. Now we're gonna need some more tape. Now we're gonna put one in the middle. Uh-oh, I ran out of tape. Can you put some more? Thanks. Ooh, this looks really good. like it. I've been seeing this trend all over TikTok, so I thought it was really cool and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So now let's put this right here. And we're gonna need one more right here because you don't want this to fall off. So we're gonna put one right here around your wrist. Thank you. Perfect. So then we're done with this. So now let's see how it looks. And if anything goes wrong, just ask a parent or guardian to help you fix it. Are you guys ready? And 3, 2, 1. How does it look? Does it look good? So guys, my mom had to turn off the flash, and this is what it really looks like. So it looks like this, and it actually really shows up really good, but you need to go somewhere dark. Now let's just hit the whoa, whoa, whoa. So I know this is kind of crazy, and it's like 9-ish or 10-ish right now. So we're gonna go take this outside on the trampoline. Hey guys, I'm on my trampoline right now. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like this. No one's like awake right now. So it's kind of really creepy. So let's go. How do you like it, guys? Does it look cool? I think it looks awesome. Just doing some TikTok dancing. So, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Put on the notification bell so you get a notification every single time I post a new video. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure to subscribe. Bella out. Bye guys. Tell me when to go.
I'm just taking a picture first.